I have a C6 Corvette here. This one got popped in the back, right in the bumper cover. The reinforcement bar is buckled. I got a new bar here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna measure this, make sure there's nothing else off back here, and then assuming everything else is good, I'll go ahead and cut this bar off and get the new bar put on there. Alright, I got the car centered to the measuring system so it knows exactly where the car is sitting right now. So now I'm going to come back here to the back and do some measurements. Alright, the frame of this measures out perfect. The only spot that's off really is over here, which I expected from that all being pushed in, but it's getting a new bar, so I'm not worried about that. The actual frame is good, and I did notice this point right here is actually pushed in a little bit, a couple millimeters more than it should, but somebody's repaired this before. You could see where they've actually welded something together here and undercoated it. Not the right way to go about it, but like I said, this is getting replaced, so that's not really going to matter, but that's the reason that point was off a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and get this bumper bar cut off. I got this bar roughly cut off in order to get easier access to all the welds, so I just kind of roughly tore it off, and now I'm going to carefully trim these out the rest of the way and get these last little pieces off, and then I'll start fitting the new bumper bar up. Well, I got this reinforcement bar on this Corvette sitting exactly where it needs to be, measured all out, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this welded on, and then this part will be finished up. All they have to do is paint the quarter panel and the bumper cover, and that'll be a wrap on this one.